In today's video, we are going to work on coordinating the upper body with the lower body for Sevillana step, the Paseillo. Ole. If you're new to my channel, I am Rina Orellana. I am a professional flamenco dancer with over 25 years of experience. I teach locally at my studio in the Los Angeles area, but I also have an online flamenco studio with students from all over the world, from new beginners to advanced dancers, and with courses for technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. So if you want to continue your studies with me, I encourage you to check that out. There's a link below in the description with a free 10-day trial. But let's begin. So let's quickly review what that Sevillana step is, the Paseillo. So remember, in the first copla, we start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pasada, pasada. So that's in the first copla. If you haven't learned that Sevillana step, I have another video on my channel that breaks it down, so you can check that out. But again, so we have right, left, tap, down, front, back, and then repeat, left, right, tap, down, front, back. All right, now with the arms. The arms themselves, you start off from the bottom here, and you bring them up through the center, and then the left arm is going to go down to the bottom and then up through the center. And then the right arm goes down or out, down, and up through the center. So you want to make sure that the arms are slightly rounded, so they're not straight. They're slightly rounded and up through the center, and your abs are in. Your chest is open and your upper back is engaged. Okay, so down and back up. Now, with the feet, you're gonna go. You're here, so right, left, tap. Okay, again, that was from the very beginning, and right, left, tap. So what I'm doing is down, up, open. Down, up, open. With the left arm, left arm, left arm. So down, up, open. Now with the feet, right, left, tap. Okay, again, and right, left, tap, step, come around, and then you bring that arm back up through the center again. So we have right, left, tap, step, front, back, and now the other side, left, right, tap. So when you tap in the back, that's when that arm goes down. Step, front, back, right, left, tap, down to the back, left, right, tap, down, front, back, right, left, tap, down to the back, left, right, tap, down to the back. And I know for many students that are especially on the newer side, that coordinating the arms and the legs is super challenging. So give yourself some grace and allow yourself to just, take it one step at a time and keep it slow and to build that muscle memory. So again, let's try it with the hands on the hips and going over the Sevillana steps. We have 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And now let's practice that with adding the arm. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, open. Ba-da, ba-da. Left, right, open. Ba-da, ba-da. Right, left, open. Bum, ba-da. Left, right, open. Bum, ba-da. Now, let's add the hands. And now if you're not ready for the hands, don't worry about it. Just keep, doing the arms. But the hands are going to be going out and in. Out and in. So you're bending at the wrist. Out and in and out and in. Make sure that that forearm is still. Now, with the arms, we're going to do just one hand at a time, because generally both hands should be moving, but let's work on one first. So you have the arm up here, and the right arm is going to stay here. Now the left arm, out with the hand, open at the bottom, and then in. Again, just to practice the left side, out with the hand, open, and in. Now with the right side, here, right arm, scrape out, open at the bottom, and in. Again, out, open, and in. So I'd like to tell people that we scrape the chocolate off the wall, show it off to your friends, and eat it. Scrape the chocolate off the wall, show it off, and eat it. All right, so we're just practicing one hand at a time. So just the active arm, we're moving that hand. So again, out, open at the bottom, and in. Out, open at the bottom, and in. Now, we can try both hands. Sometimes the brain doesn't want to do that in the beginning, but we'll just keep practicing. So we have open and in, and out and in, and out and in, and out and in. So now let's add that with the step. So we have, so first we'll try just the arm, then we'll add one hand, and then we'll add the other hand. So here we go. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, tap, ba-dum, ba-da. Right, bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Ba-dum, ba-da. Ba-dum, bum, ba. Now let's add one hand. So hand and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Now both hands if you can, and in, open, and in. Ole. All right, so we're going to practice this. We're going to actually dance an entire copla of Sevillana, but we're just going to keep repeating the Sevillana step over and over again. So we're not actually dancing the first copla. All right, you ready? Let's do it. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's add the arm. Ba-dum, bum, ba. Ba-dum, bum, ba. Ba-dum, bum, ba. Ba-dum, bum, ba. let's add the hand. And both hands. So remember just to take it slow and just, repeat, repeat, repeat. Get that muscle memory in your feet before adding the arms, and then keep the arms slow just to try to get that coordination going. So thank you for joining me, and if you want to continue your studies with me, again, I invite you to join me inside my online flamenco studio, but I'll see you next time.